Love GNOME, but miss the classic desktop feel? You're not alone. While GNOME is sleek and modern, some of us work better with a more traditional layout, taskbar, desktop icons, and quick access to apps. The good news? With a few simple extensions, we can tweak GNOME to look and work just like a classic desktop, without losing any of its power. Let's get it started. First, if you don't already have the Extensions Manager, head to a software center, search for it, and install it. This app is our gateway to customizing GNOME. Next up, Desktop Panel. This brilliant extension merges your dock and top bar into a single streamlined panel, just like Windows, KDE Plasma, or older Linux setups. You can place it at the bottom or even at the top. Tweak icon spacing and adjust transparency. Play around and make it yours. Missing desktop icons? Desktop Icons NG brings them back. Now you can quickly access files, folder, and shortcuts right from your desktop. No more digging through Files app unnecessarily. Want a start menu-like experience? The Apps menu extension adds a categorized app launcher to your panel. Ever lost a copied text and had to recopy it? Meet Clipboard Indicator. It keeps a history of everything you copy. Need something permanently? Just pin it. No more frantic recopying mid-workflow. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we have transformed GNOME into a familiar productivity-boosting desktop without sacrificing stability. Which tweak is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tips. Happy customizing, and I'll see you in the next one.